Finally, the highly anticipated launch of the new iPhone is nearing, and Apple fans are eagerly anticipating what to expect from the upcoming iPhone 13. However, coming only 11 months after the launch of the iPhone 12, the changes to the device could be minimal. The pandemic actually delayed the launch of iPhone 12 to October, but it's expected that Apple will return to their usual September launch date for the iPhone 13, which could be in the September 12 or 13. Though no dates have actually been confirmed, following Apple's usual approach means that the launch would be on the 4th day of the month, meaning it could even extend from 14 September to 24. Talking about the color scheme, there are likely to be 4 different colors option for the iPhone 13 Pro, which are black, silver, rose gold and sunset gold. There has been speculation that there could be a new options including pink, matte black and bronze, but these are nothing more than rumors for now. As you move out for the pricing range, you will know the iPhone is getting expensive year by year. Pricing is expected to be similar to that of iPhone 12 this time, meaning that there would be a range of $699 to $1,099 for the upper class. For the most part, the iPhone 13 will have many similar features to the iPhone 12 launch. One new feature will be selection of sizes, with 4 different ones expected, ranging from 5.4 inches for the iPhone mini to the 6.7 inches for the iPhone Pro Max model. There have also been big improvements to the camera, which will have a larger cutout in size in order to make room for sensor shift stabilization. Conversely, on the front of the device, the notch at the top of the iPhone is expected to be smaller, with a true depth camera being moved to the edge of the case and an earpiece speaker above. The iPhone 13 is also said to be 0.2mm thicker. It's only a small difference, but experts claim it will allow for larger battery. It has always been the iPhone's problem for maintaining the battery life of every phone. Face ID will also be made from plastic rather than glass, and this could be a cost-saving measures for Apple production. So what do you think for the upcoming iPhone 13? And if you have any idea of the upcoming rumors on iPhone 13 and why you're going to buy that, please make sure to leave a comment below. We will catch you in the video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.